In this video, we'll show you how to completely remove sound or audio from a video using CapCut. Whether there's unwanted audio in your clips that you'd like to get rid of, we'll demonstrate 2 simple methods to mute your video entirely. Make sure to watch until the end to learn both techniques. First, open the CapCut app and load the video you want to edit. In this example, I have a great video, but it contains audio I don't want. Let's listen to it briefly. Now I want to remove that sound and mute the clip. Method 1. Select the video clip on your timeline by tapping on it. Scroll through the editing tools until you find the volume option and tap on it. A volume slider will appear on the screen. Drag the slider to the left until it's set to 0. When the volume is at 0, the audio in your video will be completely muted. Method 2. Select the video clip on your timeline again. Scroll through the tools and find the Extract Audio option. Tap on it to separate the audio track from your video. Once the audio track is extracted, select it and tap Delete. This will remove the audio entirely, leaving you with a silent video. With these 2 methods, you can easily remove unwanted audio from your videos in CapCut. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.